Hi everyone, and I hope you're doing well. So my name is Nikita, and I'm your favorite creator who keeps sharing tips and tricks about your career. But today I would like to show you one of the campuses that I'm currently visiting in US, which is the Google's Mountain View campus. So I'm standing right in front of the building. I have couple of meetings lined up for the day, but I thought I'd also give you a tour of this campus. There are a lot of places where I'm not allowed to capture videos, but I'll definitely try to capture areas where I am allowed to capture videos. So stay tuned till the end of this video because I'll be sharing so many exciting places in the Google's headquarter office, which is the Mountain View office. And I hope you enjoy taking this tour along with me. So let's get started. Hi, so as you can see, I'm having my breakfast right now. I'm having some avocado toast, some salad, and then lots of fruits. I was a little late to catch up on breakfast, but never mind. I wanted to fuel myself before the meeting. So, yeah, here's what I'm eating today. And you can also take a tour of how the cafe looks like. So here you see there are 5 to 6 counters which cover different types of cuisines, and along with that you would also see a hydration spot to make sure you're enough hydrated between your meetings and work. I'm sitting in the cafeteria right now and preparing for my next meeting. But before that, I thought I'll grab a quick cup of coffee. So I'm talking to the barista right now, asking them how my coffee should be. I ordered a cappuccino for myself. Now, one thing I liked about the Mountain View office is they provide you disposable containers along with a lid so you can actually take your coffee from one building to another while you're heading for the next meeting. All right, so I'm standing outside the cafeteria right now, the place where I had breakfast. This is the outdoor area from there. So you can actually enjoy your meals sitting outside as well. Right behind me, you would also see a lot of chairs, and you might be wondering, is this the space, the workstations where a lot of Googlers work? Probably not, but this could be a definitely a spot in case you're feeling very cold. You can actually take a good sun bath sitting here, and you can actually enjoy the nature in this particular area of the campus. And behind me, if you see, there is a structure which connects both the buildings, which is the Google's 1900 to 2000 building. There is a structure which is set up to connect both the buildings. That's pretty much on how the campus looks like. There are more areas that I'll be covering until the end of this video. So yeah, now I'm done with couple of meetings and I'm heading for lunch. So as you see in front of me, there were some protein options along with some chopped vegetables and salads. That's not it. There were some unhealthy options like fries and then hummus along with falafel. And then in the Indian section, there was my personal favorite Rajma rice served along with some raita and tamarind chutney. So yeah, this is one of the kitchens in the Mountain View. And how can I miss the micro kitchen, aka the MK at Google office? So as you would be seeing, there are a bunch of options to savor on, from chocolates to cookies to dry fruits. There were some savory options as well, but my personal favorite were these almonds coated with chocolate that I enjoyed the most in the MK area. All right, so that's pretty much about the Google campus. As I'm winding up the video, you can also look at the G bikes behind me. These definitely help you go from one building to another. It's a huge campus, so you definitely need a vehicle to move from one building to another, especially if they are distant apart. And a lot of Googlers use this to commute between meetings from one building to another. Yeah, that's pretty much it on what I wanted to share with you about the campus. I did cover about the cafeteria, the micro kitchen, although the workstations is something where I'm prohibited to capture any footages, hence I didn't cover much about those areas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, taking a tour of the Google Mountain View campus along with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.